Welcome to FleetProxy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your FleetProxy proxies inside Kameleo in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Kameleo application. From the main dashboard, click New to create a new browser profile. Once the profile window appears, enter a name for your profile. Next, configure any additional profile settings according to your needs, such as browser preferences, fingerprint settings, or other customization options. When you're ready, scroll down to the Proxy section. Click on With Proxy option. Now, let's switch over to your FleetProxy dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Active Proxies. Locate the proxy plan you'd like to use and click Manage. Then select Generator. Inside the generator, you'll be able to customize your proxy configuration. Choose your preferred country, select your rotation settings, and configure sticky sessions if needed. These options allow you to tailor your proxy setup for different tasks and browsing requirements. Once you've finished configuring your settings, select the proxy format as host, port, username, and password. Generate the proxy and copy the complete proxy string. Now return to Kameleo. Paste the proxy in the host field. Once the details have been filled in, click Test Proxy. If the connection is successful, you're all set. Save the profile, launch your browser, and start browsing using your FleetProxy connection. And that's it. Your FleetProxy proxy has now been successfully configured in Kameleo. Thank you for watching.